Hello besties, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I really appreciate. So we'll be making a hair butter together using avocado as the main ingredient, and I will be using only one avocado for this recipe. So what I will do is to scoop it out into the container I provided and mash it up. So we'll be using olive oil as the base for this recipe, and we'll add it into the avocado and mash them up together, and make sure that you mash it up very well so that it will dissolve so well while you double boil. So I'll be using a double boiling method to bring out all the nutrients inside the avocado. I do not have enough oil at home, but let's see how it will turn out. And make sure that while you are double boiling, you are also turning it so that all the nutrients will come out and all the avocado will boil so well while double boiling. Okay, so let me allow you to listen to the music. So here, as you can see, it's already turning brown. But while I was doing that, I found out that the oil inside the avocado is not that enough for me. So I don't know, I decided to just fry it out, like fry all of them out. So I'll be putting them back to a frying pan to make sure that I fry them out. But in this, at this time, I was like contemplating on getting another oil, like going to the supermarket to buy oil, and I'll be going to the supermarket to get coconut oil for this. Okay, because as you can see, the oil is not coming out that way, like there is not enough oil for this, so I'll need oil. So here I just came back from the supermarket, and as you can see, I just have to turn on the gas cooker. I have to turn the cooker on again, then put in the coconut oil that I just bought, so that it's going to give me that much oil that I needed for this recipe. Okay, and I want the avocado to boil so well, because with that oil inside, it will only burn without bringing out oil, like infusing the oil that I will need, or the ingredients that I need for this recipe. As you can see, the avocado is brownish already. So let's go to the main ingredients that we need. That is the butter, which is shea butter. So I'll be scooping some spoons of shea butter for the base for this particular butter, because yes, we are doing a hair butter, so we need butter actually. So this is the amount of shea butter that we'll need, because I'm not doing too much, just for the one I'm using personally. So I'll be double boiling the shea butter also, like how I did for the avocado. So while you double boil, so that all the shea butter will melt. Yeah, so let's go back to the avocado that we fried previously. So this is how the avocado is now, and I will be infusing them. Like I will have to bring out all the oil from it, and I will be using a handkerchief. If you have a sieve in the house, you can use it, but I'm using handkerchief because it is easier for me to squeeze out all the oils that I want than using a sieve, because I have a sieve, but handkerchief is the best deal for me. Yes, it's the best deal. So that is what I would recommend you to use while you want to press out or sieve out any oil that you want to sieve out. So yeah, I'll be pressing it out very well, and make sure you press it out very well, like very well, so that all the oils will come out very well. As you can see how the color of that oil is, like the color is giving that avocado color vibe. Yes, so this is all the oil that came out, and this is how the chaff of the avocado is. Yeah, this chaff of avocado, you can use, I think you can use it for anything. So see how the oil glitters on my skin. Yes, very healthy for a skincare though. So this is our butter has melted, and it's time to use it. So what I will be doing is I'll use a foil to cover up the butter and put it inside the freezer to freeze or to solidify, so that it will be very okay for a hair butter. Because if you don't do it, it will not come out very well for you if you want to use it as a hair butter. Okay, so yeah, after covering it very well, make sure you cover it very well so that water will not penetrate inside. Then this is after freezing, and it's time to use. So let's see how it looks inside. Yeah, you see how solidified it looks. So as you can see, it's very hard, like very hard. So we'll be using a mixer for this. So I'll be using my long time mixer, and this mixer actually came with this particular bowl. Yes, it came with the bowl. So I'll be mixing it up very well so that it's going to be softer. Then I'll add our oil, that is the avocado oil. Yes, and mix. And at this point I found out that the oil is kind of bigger than the butter, and that is the reason it's not thick enough. But I don't know what to do anymore, because I can't be doing that, like bringing out another butter to solidify again. So I'll just use it as this. It's not a must that it have to be that very hard or that hard. Yes, but it's not giving me the kind of texture that I want in this particular time. But yeah, it's good. Like the turnout is good. When after all these things, it came out very well, but not as solid as how I wanted it to be. So yeah, so this is me mixing it very well, and make sure you mix very well to combine all the oil and all the butter together. And this is after, and this is how it is looking. So it's time to scoop them out, like it's time to put inside a container. Yeah, and I'll be using my container, because this container, my hair butter used to be inside that container. As you can see the hair butter mark on the container. Yeah, so I'll be using that container to put in this particular. I can see the texture of that hair butter. The texture is not that solid, but at least it's okay. It's okay. So this is how it came out. So beautiful and so yummy. Like you literally think it's an ice cream. Yes. So the butter texture is very nice. Like the texture is so good. And I will urge you to try out this particular recipe. And what you can do is add more butter to it so that it will be solid more than my own. Yes, so this is all that came out from this particular hair butter, and that is all for that. And I love how it came out. Yeah, so if you know this video helps you a lot, like you really learn from something from this video, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you share, because I'll really appreciate if I can see your comments down there and tell me how you think this particular thing turned out, and tell me what you think about this particular video. See you all in my next one. Yeah, bye. I love you.